proper cranes and hoists shall be selected and used for operation according to proper weight when installing the product. On the site, all workers must wear the helmet, obey the commands of the site lifting commander, and prepare such tools as electric wrench, crowbar and wrench in advance as required. Assembly of lower cone. Take the installation of a 200-ton combined concrete powder storehouse as an example. Select the sheet of small and middle cones. Take the small cone number A02 as an example. The numbers of the 4 sheets of middle cone are A02, B02, B02, C02, C02, D02, D02, A02 respectively. Assembly of middle cone. Correspondingly place the adjacent sides of 4 sheets of middle cone as per A02 for A02, B02 for B02, C02 for C02, and D02 for D02. Insert the sponge rubber strips in center joint. All strips must protrude 5 to 10 cm beyond the workpiece, and then install the bolt. The middle cone of split storehouse is assembled completely after 4 sheets are connected and the bolts are tightened. 4 sheets of large cone are assembled according to the assembly method of middle cone. Small cone is a single welded part, therefore it is not required to assemble by sheet. Properly connect small cone and hoist, tripod, wire rope and fixtures. Ensure the hoist tonnage, and then lift the small cone, which must align with the flange indication arrow at small mouth end of assembled middle cone. Insert the sponge rubber strips in middle joint. Apply the sealant at connection of transverse joint and longitudinal joint. And finally tighten the bolts as one. Lift the combination of a small cone and a middle cone and use the same method to connect the large cone as one. Apply the sealant at connection of a transverse joint and longitudinal joint. Thus, whole split lower cone is assembled completely. The upper cone is assembled in accordance with the assembly method of lower cone and middle cone. Installation of lower cone and shell. It is not needed to number each sheet of cone upper shell, but each section should be connected by brick masonry. That is, 4 connection longitudinal joints of the first section are located at the middle of each sheet of the second section. The cross-connection method is applicable for 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th sections as well as upper cone. The installation joints of a storehouse body shall be also filled with a sponge and a sealant, and then bolted tightly. combination of shell and upper cone is installed in accordance with the installation method of shell. Installation of leg. Connect each leg flange with the foundation flange of lower cone for storehouse body. Note the direction of bracing connection plates and do not tighten the screws. Connect horizontal and a bracing channel onto the leg. Adjust its size. Tighten the bolt, and then put it on the platform. Installations of feeding pipes, external ladder rails and beam level. Install and weld the feeding pipes at corresponding locations. Weld external ladder according to corresponding direction, and then build the rails. Weld upper and lower level bases according to ladder size. Weld the beam at storehouse top and beam opening centers, the ladder exit. Install the arch braking airbase and gas accumulator of lower cone. Installation of a vertical beam. Tighten all bolts of a tank body once before installation of a vertical beam. Bolts may be loose due to a stack of beam and disturbance of a beam body. When lifting the vertical beam, the beams with a 13-ton or more shall be lifted by more than 50-ton crane. In addition, one more than 16-ton crane is used to lift the rear legs.